Sorry, my friend text messaged me. He's in Arizona right now, so gonna hang out. This is really nice to have a Cali friend out here. I've only had 2 people from California come and visit me. It really sucks. Well, I always go out to visit there, but I don't come out here. I'm so lonely. Like, my boyfriend is my only friend out here. It's pretty sad. We had a dust storm earlier. And it's really pretty out. The sunset. And then crazy wind.